Hi guys, this is Aishwarya and welcome back to my channel. Today we will be making aloe vera gel at home as it takes a lot of time to extract aloe gel every time from the leaf instantly. This homemade gel will be all natural and chemical free, so watch out. I have already picked up the largest aloe leaf from my aloe vera plant and placed this vertically for 5 minutes so this yellow substance can be all out. Some people experiences that homemade aloe vera gel causes acne, rashes or redness to their skin. That is basically because of presence of this yellow substance which is very much harmful for our skin. So make sure to remove this. After some time, you can see all the yellow substance has been drained completely. Now wash it thoroughly. And chop the sides. Now cut the end to make sure that if any of the yellow substance may not be remaining. Repeat the same process with another leaf. Now peel this side of aloe leaf using a peeler. You can see using peeler for this process makes it so easy and mess free. Now extract the aloe gel using a spoon. It's okay if some part of the green leaf adds to it as it will help to obtain green color to our aloe gel. You can use this leftover aloe leaf to rub on your skin to obtain clear and calm skin. Then repeat the same process with another leaf. As you can see, all the aloe gel have been easily extracted. Now carefully add this into a blender. Look at the clear gel and it's a lot of gel that we extracted. Also you can see this green pigment will help to obtain aloe vera gel of green color just as we buy from the market and is completely safe to let stay some parts of the leaf into the gel. Is definitely not harmful. Blend well. This is the aloe vera gel we have obtained. Let it sit for an hour. Then strain it. And this is the texture of the gel you must obtain. Then take this out into an airtight container. Add few drops of tea tree essential oil. Tea tree essential oil treats acne, has anti-inflammatory properties, calms redness, swelling and inflammation. Also helps to prevent and reduce acne scars, smoothens and clarifies skin. Is also antibacterial, so it's able to keep this aloe vera gel free from any bacteria or germs. Next I have 2 capsules of vitamin E. They are easily available in any nearby store. Vitamin E oil will work as a natural preservative for our aloe vera gel. Also has great moisturizing and healing properties. Also great for skin and hair. Add this vitamin E oil from the capsule into the aloe gel. Mix well and cover it up with a lid. Our aloe vera gel is ready to use. This aloe vera gel could be stored for a very long time in cool and dry place. This is the texture of aloe vera gel we prepared. Let me apply and show the texture of the aloe vera gel. As you can see, our homemade aloe vera gel works wonderfully and just as the aloe vera gel we buy from stores. You can use this as your daily moisturizer, day and night, or as a primer before makeup for a long lasting base. Can be used as hair mask, can add to home remedies, calm skin irritation or inflammation, acne, sunburn or redness. And yeah, that's it for the video. Do comment below if you want me to post any video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Share it with your friends and family and I will see you next time. Bye.